In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another language to your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic way to make your content accessible to a broader audience and can be especially beneficial if your business operates in multiple regions around the globe. So let's dive right into the steps and make your site multilingual. First, we need to head over to the Squarespace homepage. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so using your credentials. Once there, you'll notice a simple and user-friendly interface, which makes navigating through different settings quite straightforward. From the homepage, our goal is to access the settings where you can manage almost every detail of your site's configuration. Next, you'll want to click on Settings. This is where you have control over many aspects of your website, everything from billing information to the languages supported by your site. As we are focusing on adding a language, this section is crucial for our task today. Keep in mind that sometimes, depending on updates or the version of Squarespace you are using, the layout might look slightly different, but the process generally remains consistent. Once in the settings, look for an option labeled Site Languages. Clicking on Site Languages will open up a new set of options where you'll see the languages that are currently available on your website. This is the area where you can manage which languages your content is displayed in. Now, it's time for the key step. You're going to click on Connect under the Weglot integration. Weglot is a powerful translation tool that can help you add multiple languages to your site seamlessly. When you click Connect, you'll be guided through a process to integrate Weglot with your website. Weglot's integration not only allows for automatic translations, but also provides the option to manually edit translations for greater accuracy, ensuring your multilingual site meets your standards and expectations. Hopefully, this breakdown of steps has given you a clear understanding of how to add another language to your Squarespace site. Integrating a language is a matter of just a few clicks, thanks to the intuitive nature of Squarespace and the robust power of Weglot. Always remember, as you expand your reach with multiple languages, you'll be opening doors to new markets and audiences who will appreciate having information in their native language. And that's it! You've successfully added another language to your Squarespace website. Thank you for joining me in today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Take care and happy website building!